Okay guys, this is a 2023 Model X long range. Hardware 3 on this one. It's the 6-passenger. So you can raise suspension, charging. I believe we got it at like 310 miles. There's a picture online. It does have self-driving. So heated, cooled seats. Does have a heated steering wheel. So there's all the information. 28,949 on the miles. This is a clean title. So you can have the full self-drive, all your different upgrades. Here's your backup camera. Okay, so it's got good tires. Back here you can control, had your heated seats. All the seats are heated. All your video games, I know you could do YouTube, kids love. Has the Falcon doors on it. So clean title, Model X long range.